This is how to create, edit, and delete WooCommerce order status when the default options don't match your actual workflow. Navigate to Plugins, click Add New, then search for Custom Order Status Manager for WooCommerce. Install and activate it. After activation, you'll see Order Status in your WooCommerce sidebar. Click on it, then click Add New to create your first custom status. Enter your status name in the title field. Fill in the slug field with lowercase letters and dashes only. This creates the technical identifier your system needs. Adding visual elements helps when you're scanning through orders. Click Add icon to choose one, then pick a color from the color picker. You'll see this color everywhere. This status appears in your admin. Turn on Add to Actions on Orders page for quick access when viewing individual orders. Enable Add to Bulk Actions list to update multiple orders at once. Keep edit mode and email notification turned off unless you need them. Click Publish to save it. Your custom status now appears in the order management dropdown with the default options. Head to WooCommerce Orders to test it. Select any order and change its status using the dropdown. Your new custom status will be right there. To edit or delete a status later, go back to Custom Order Status settings, find the status you want, and click Edit. You can modify it or delete it completely from there. Your store now has order statuses that actually match your business workflow.